Good morning, everyone. Um, Hope you're all doing okay today. It's Friday, end of the week. Well done for all the brilliant work you've been doing so far this week. So impressed on Wednesday at the numbers of people who came to our Zoom call. I understand if people can't make it, but it was great. It was brilliant. Really enjoyed it, and hope you got a lot out of it. So today, Friday 15th of January, and the quote today is: "Aim for the moon. If you miss, you'll land among the stars." And again, a little less work today than usual because of our Zoom call, which will be um, a quick look at Thursday's Master Your Maths for any trickies that you may have, and then our spelling and our spelling tests. So that'll be today at 11 o'clock. Okay, and as well as that, it's Friday. You have worked incredibly hard, and keep sending that work in, guys. And as well as that, if for whatever reason I haven't been responding to you, I'm pretty sure I've got back to everybody who sent work in. Um, I am pretty sure, but just in case there's a bit of work somewhere that I haven't seen, or for whatever reason, maybe I haven't seen it, let me know. Okay, let me know because I'm a little new to the Google Classroom as well. So if you've sent in some work that I haven't responded to, just let me know, and I'll make sure to get back to you about it. So today's work: Better English, page 58, D and E. And we have a Kahoot quiz. You'll remember we did a Kahoot quiz um, a few weeks ago during Science Week on the board, and I've done up a little Kahoot quiz today, just 10 questions, um, some general knowledge, and some to do with the Vikings and some stuff like that. So I've put the link on the Google Classroom. The link is there, so click on it, put your name down, and yeah, we'll see who gets to the top of the leaderboard there. Remember, you get more points the quicker you answer, okay? So let's see who can top the leaderboard there, okay? And for our Zoom, bring your Master Maths to go over our trickies, and then something to write on for your test, okay? If it's a copybook or even just a sheet of paper, it's up to you. That's okay. And PE, I will post up a yoga video for you to do after Zoom. Okay, so that will go up just after the Zoom class. Give you a chance after sitting down for our test to get up and loosen up again. Okay, right. I hope to talk to lots of you later on at 11. And for anyone who is unavailable, have a lovely weekend. Thank you for working so hard, and I look forward to another week next week of good hard work. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.